Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss Black Cultural Studies. Introduction. Black Cultural Studies is an evolving and multifaceted area of inquiry within the broader field of cultural studies. It addresses the histories, cultures, interests, concerns, ideologies, and contexts of Black cultural work within both national and global frameworks. This video explores the origins, key developments, and influential figures and works within Black cultural studies, focusing on its emergence in both Britain and the United States. Introduction to Black cultural studies. The notion of Black cultural studies is loosely defined and does not adhere to a single set of theories. Instead, it has emerged as a significant area of inquiry within cultural studies, focusing on the histories and cultures of peoples historically identified as Black, or more loosely as Third World, within the contexts of post-independence, post-colonial, and post-civil rights movement. Defining Black cultural studies. Black cultural studies addresses the interests, concerns, ideologies, and contexts of Black cultural work. It focuses on the analysis and critique of race within various theoretical frameworks, including feminist, Marxist, psychoanalytic, and post-colonial theories. This area of study developed within the absences and legacies of existing critical and cultural studies, emphasizing the crucial role of race in understanding cultural practices. Critical and cultural practices. The critical and cultural practices within Black cultural studies involve analyzing how race intersects with ideology, culture, material practice, and gender. These practices emerged from within the broader field of cultural studies, highlighting the importance of race in shaping political and cultural contexts. Black cultural studies seeks to account for the ways race influences various theoretical perspectives and cultural discourses. Developments in Britain. In Britain, the development of cultural studies initially tended to overlook or marginally include the intersections of race, sexuality, and gender, focusing primarily on class and political economy. However, from the 1970s to the 1990s, significant contributions emerged from various centers, journals, and community-based cultural work, leading to a more rigorous inclusion of race in cultural studies. Key British contributions. Several collectives and publications have played a crucial role in the development of Black cultural studies in Britain. Notable collectives include Sankofa, Kedo, Retake, and Black Audio Film Collectives. Key publications and figures contributing to this field include Policing the Crisis, The Empire Strikes Back. Influential figures: C.L.R. James, Stuart Hall, Hazel Kirby, Paul Gilroy. Developments in the United States. In the United States, the popularization and diffusion of cultural studies have produced diverse genealogies and intellectual formations. The particular history of cultural work in the US has led to a critical practice committed to exploring the cultural production of various legally constituted minorities, informed by the legacies of post-emancipation and post-civil rights discourse. Key US contributions. In the United States, numerous journals and influential figures have significantly contributed to the development of Black cultural studies. Key journals include Inscriptions, Cultural Studies, Transitions, Diaspora, and Cultural Critique. Prominent figures in the field include Michelle Wallace, Bell Hooks, Cornel West, Manthia Dewara. Key publications: Marxism and the Interpretation of Culture and Cultural Studies by Grossberg, Nelson, and Treichler. Intersection with other cultural studies. Black cultural studies has developed alongside other cultural studies movements such as Asian American and Latino, Chicana or Chicano cultural studies. These fields are deeply interwoven with the political and legal rhetorics of the United States, collectively contributing to a broader understanding of minority discourses and cultural practices. Examples of Black cultural studies work. The impact of Black cultural studies can be seen in various artistic and cultural productions. Notable examples include the films of collectives such as Caddo, Black Audio, Sankofa, Star, and Retake. Additionally, playwrights and performers like Benjamin Zephania, Mustafa Matura, Yvonne Brewster, and Hanif Qureshi have made significant contributions to the field. Conclusion: Black cultural studies represents a significant and evolving area of inquiry within cultural studies. By focusing on the crucial role of race in various theoretical and cultural contexts, it offers valuable insights into the histories, ideologies, and practices of Black cultural work. The contributions from both British and American contexts highlight the importance of addressing race in understanding cultural and ideological issues, making Black cultural studies an essential field of academic and cultural exploration. So this was the discussion on the term Black cultural studies. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.